Hi, my name's Carla Snyder, and today we're going to explore how delicious, easy, and fast it is to cook fish for dinner. And today we're going to start off with some Arctic char. It's one of my favorite fish. It's so mild and delicious. I'm just going to give it a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, and then we're going to do something unusual. I'm going to wrap it with prosciutto. It's so terrific. That little smoky, hammy flavor just permeates the fish in the most wonderful way. So we're just going to give it a little wrap like that, each one. I've got a nice hot pan here. We're going to add a little bit of Heinen's extra virgin olive oil. And when it shimmers, it's time to add the fish to the pan. Don't worry if your prosciutto doesn't stick, because as it heats and cooks, it will kind of shrink wrap to the fish in a really great way. So we're just going to cook these for about 2 minutes on each side. They're not going to be cooked all the way through because we're going to finish cooking them later in a little bit of risotto. You can see how the ham has shrunk wrapped to the fish. I just love how that happens. And I'm going to transfer the partially cooked fish to a plate. The next thing that goes in the pan is Heinen's risotto. This asparagus risotto, which is amazing. And I love how fast and easy these cook up. You just throw it right in the pan that you cook the fish in. And you cook it according to the package directions. So once your risotto is just about done, you want to take your fish and put it right back in the pan. I love how the risotto picks up the flavor of the fish and the ham. It makes it so delicious. So then you just cover it with the lid, turn the heat down a little bit, and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes, just until the fish is cooked through and it flakes with a fork. It only takes a couple of minutes for your fish to finish cooking through. It's so good. So what we're going to do is just kind of move it over here and serve up the fish and the risotto. And then I have a little bit of fresh basil to sprinkle over the top. So there you have it. It's easy, easy, easy to cook seafood.